In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create related lists in Salesforce. Whether you're a seasoned Salesforce user or just getting started, understanding how to effectively manage and create related lists can significantly enhance your data management and organization within Salesforce. With this guide, you'll gain the requisite skills to make your Salesforce environment more intuitive and beneficial for your team. First, let's navigate to the Salesforce homepage. Start by logging into your Salesforce account. The home page is your central hub, giving you access to all that Salesforce offers. Once you're on the home page, the next thing you'll need to do is locate the settings icon. Clicking on this will open up a plethora of options that allow you to customize and control your Salesforce experience. Once you've clicked on settings, find and click on the Open Advanced Setup. This is crucial as the Advanced Setup tab offers more comprehensive options for configuring your Salesforce environment. From here, what you need is the Object Manager. The Object Manager is your go-to section for managing all the different objects within Salesforce, such as accounts, contacts, opportunities, etc. Next, from the Object Manager list, let's proceed by clicking on Account. This is an example of one of the objects you might be working with. Once you're viewing the account object details, your next step is to click on Page Layouts. Page layouts are essentially the blueprint for how records on this object should appear to users and allow you to customize the interface. Within Page Layouts, identify and click on the Account Layout. The Account Layout page is where you will modify the related lists, which are sections that display records related to your current record type. Once inside the account layout, direct your attention to the section labeled Related Lists. Clicking here will open up various options for adding, removing, or modifying these lists. To wrap things up, you'll want to choose which layout you wish to add to the related list. Salesforce provides a flexible interface where you can drag and drop related lists into the desired area of your layout. Choosing the right related lists can streamline your workflow and ensure that users have access to all necessary information related to a particular record. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through creating a related list in Salesforce. Remember, customizing related lists can vastly improve data accessibility, making it easier for your entire team to stay informed and efficient. Keep practicing and exploring Salesforce's features. Each time you modify your setups and layouts, you learn more about how to optimize your Salesforce usage. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful Salesforce tips and tutorials.